Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all of our hearts: skincare. But this isn't just another skincare routine video. This is about understanding the mistakes that might be holding you back from achieving that radiant, healthy glow you deserve. Have you ever stood in front of the mirror feeling frustrated, helpless, or even betrayed by your own skin? Maybe you've been trying every trending serum, following those skincare routines religiously, and still, your skin doesn't look or feel the way you hoped. You're not alone, love. Trust me, I've been there too, staring in the mirror like, what am I doing wrong? You don't need a drawer full of expensive products or a 10-step routine to have glowing, healthy skin. So, let's uncover the 5 common skincare mistakes that might be silently sabotaging your skin, and the simple, loving changes that can set you on a path to radiant transformation. Okay, let's talk about cleansing. We all love that squeaky clean feeling after a long day, right? But here's the thing. Your skin needs a balanced environment to thrive. When we over-cleanse or use harsh stripping cleansers, we strip away those precious natural oils that act as our skin's first line of defense. Think of your skin's natural oils like a protective shield. They help to keep moisture in and irritants out. Look for sulfate-free formulas with ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid, which help to support your skin's natural moisture barrier. So ditch the harsh scrubs, embrace the gentle touch, and let your skin's natural radiance shine through. Alright my loves, let's talk about the holy grail of skincare: sunscreen. I know, sometimes it feels like just one extra step in our already busy routines. But trust me, wearing sunscreen every single day, even when you're just staying indoors, is the absolute best thing you can do for your skin's health and appearance in the long run. Think of sunscreen as a protective shield against premature aging, sunspots, and uneven skin tone. Those harmful UV rays can penetrate clouds and windows, meaning even if you're inside all day, your skin is still vulnerable. And let's not forget about the blue light emitted from our phones and computers, which can also contribute to pigmentation and premature aging. There are so many amazing sunscreens out there these days, from lightweight lotions to elegant serums that offer broad-spectrum protection without clogging your pores or feeling like a mask. Make sunscreen your non-negotiable, your skincare BF, and your skin will thank you for years to come. Chapter 3. Let's talk about skin types, my loves. Every single one of us has unique skin with unique needs. Using products that aren't right for your skin is a recipe for disaster. If you have dry skin and you're using products designed for oily skin, you're going to strip away even more of your skin's natural oils, leaving it feeling tight, dry, and irritated. On the other hand, if you have oily skin and you're using heavy, occlusive products meant for dry skin, you're likely to experience breakouts and congestion. So, how do you determine your skin type? Pay attention to how your skin feels and looks throughout the day. Once you know your skin type, you can start choosing products that are specifically designed to address your unique concerns. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to skincare. Chapter 4. Okay, let's be real for a second. We've all been there. It's been a long day, you're exhausted, and the last thing you want to do is drag yourself to the bathroom to take off your makeup. But my loves, sleeping with your makeup on is one of the worst things you can do for your skin. All of that gunk gets trapped under your makeup, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and clogging your pores. So, next time you're tempted to crawl into bed with your makeup on, remember this? Taking a few minutes to cleanse your skin is an investment in your skin's health and radiance. Chapter 5. My loves, let's talk about one of the most important, yet often overlooked aspects of skincare: consistency. In a world of instant gratification and overnight results, it's easy to get caught up in the hype of the latest skincare trends and miracle products. But the truth is, real lasting skin transformation takes time, patience, and most importantly, consistency. Chopping and changing your skincare routine every other week is like trying to read a book by flipping to random pages. Your skin needs time to adjust to new products and ingredients. So, my loves, be patient, be consistent, and trust the process. Your skin will thank you for it. Your journey to glowing, peaceful skin starts today. Your new skincare ritual: a simple, science-backed daily routine. Morning gentle cleanser, hydrating toner or mist lightweight moisturizer and sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Evening makeup remover plus cleanser treatment serum like vitamin C, retinol, or niacinamide based on your needs and moisturizer or facial oil. Weekly treats: gentle exfoliation 1 to 2 times a week, and a hydrating face mask. Beautiful skin isn't about perfection, it's about health, balance, and love. When you treat your skin with patience and understanding, it responds with grace. You're not failing, sweetheart, you're learning. And every small step you take toward better skincare is a step toward honoring yourself. Ready to transform your skin and your confidence? Start with one small change today. You've got this. New viewers, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.